Hi, friends and family. Yep, it's here. We're all kind of locked down in place, but our practice is open, and I've had some patients ask me why. Well, I'll tell you why. First off, we want everybody to be safe, happy, and be careful. If you have risks in your health history that would put you at potentially deeper risk, we ask that you stay home. Just be smart. If you are healthy and you're not in a potential demographic for the COVID-19 virus, okay, and you want to come in for therapy, we are open. We will have limited hours, but we are here to help. And we want you to know that we're here for you. Many of our patient treatments we can handle by phone call. And so we're encouraging you to call in and we can speak to a therapist and we can help you with that. Others, if you have a bad back issue or BPPV or you need some little TLC, and you do decide to come in, again, you're welcome. Wash your hands first, not only as you leave your house, but when you first get into the clinic. And don't bring anybody with you unless it's a driver or a caregiver. We ask that you come alone. And that way, we help maintain the precautions that we all need to practice. In closing, we ask that everybody stay happy and healthy, stay with your family, go outside and get some fresh air, get a little exercise in, and be smart. And we'll all get through this when we take care of each other. Thank you.